Okay, welcome back, and in this video we're going to glue the wing together. In preparation, I have some wax paper down on my table. I don't want the hot melt glue to seep down on the table or on the towel that I usually have on it. So I've got wax paper down. Be sure you know how you're going to glue it. What I'm going to do is put glue on this side, bring it down, line it up, press it together, and just hold it until it dries. So you get to see me do that. So the hot melt glue is ready. I've got extra glue sticks standing by in case I need an extra one if I run out. I'm not sure I will, but we'll see what happens here. Okay, so I'm going to start at the wide end here, do a zigzag pattern. And I'm definitely going to run out of a stick here. Put another stick in the back here. Okay. Get it all the way down here. Lots of glue. Okay. Now you got to line it up on the bottom and then just bring it into the front and press it together. Make sure it's aligned front and tip and stern, and hold. Now the glue cools off pretty quickly, so you don't have to hold it too long. I'm going to say that's probably good enough. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's going to be good enough. Okay. Now, the next thing is, if I do this the next time, I only had about that much inside there. I'm going to squirt the glue out and start over with it. Okay, so I've got some scrap here I can wipe this off with. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is do both seams. Let me see if any glue came out the back. Nope, yep, a little bit of glue came out the back right there. That'll be alright. So what I'm going to do is run a bead of glue down the seam here. Trying to get it into the seam. And you can do that at the same time you use a knife. This is like a putty knife. I'm going to spread that out just a little. That spreading also cools it and smears it a little. Okay. You don't have to do it all at once, and the glue you can just chip off of a I think they call this a painter's knife or something. So I'm going to do this like 2 inches at a time. Okay. And then just using this painter's knife, smooth it. Clean the glue off the knife and keep on working. Look at it carefully. Yep, that's good. Now I just felt it there. It's still a little warm, so it's still a little sticky, but it'll harden. So you're trying to do about a 1/8 bead, 1/8 inch bead, and just smooth that out. Okay. All right, so this is going to take me a little longer than I thought, but that's okay. Take your time, don't rush. You don't want a big bead up on top like that, so that's why you use something to spread it out with. Alright, so after I finish the top, I'm going to let this harden before I try to turn it over and do the bottom. But I will turn it over and set it down and do a bead along the bottom and keep it nice and smooth. And that should hold it in place. Okay, so that's the gluing process. You'll see that process again when we glue on the elevons. But with the elevons, you have to take great care to get it smooth just right, and then after it hardens a little, we'll flex them. We'll show you that in a future video. Thank you for watching.